Example 6, find the standard deviation of the ages for show B. Okay, so once again, if we're going to find the standard deviation, we're going to start with a table, we're going to set it up, and then after we get everything set up, then the real work will begin. So I'm first going to start with a nice long table of X, which is just our data values. Then I'm going to come over here with my ages for show B, 25, 20, and then keep going. Now, again, at this point, if you have a ruler, that would be very helpful because really you're just putting in a whole bunch of straight lines here to make your table. If you're doing this on a computer, you could just add a table. And then we're ready to go. So step 1 says that we have to find the mean of the data set. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to add up all of our numbers, which is going to get us 312. Then I'm going to divide that by how many numbers we added. We added 12 of them, which is going to get us a mean of 26. I'm then going to fill that in the whole way down. Next step says that we have to find the difference from each data value and the mean. So this is where we're going to take x minus x bar. So what you're doing here, we're going to take 25 minus 26, negative 1. 20 minus 26, negative 6. And then again, pause your video, do this by yourself, see what you get. And then when you're done, come back. After you find the difference between each data value and the mean, then we have to square them. So this is your x minus x bar squared. And keep in mind that this column is always positive. Okay, so negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. And then 36, 16, 1, 22 squared is 484. Wow, that's a large number. 36, 49, etc. And then after we do that, we have to find the mean of now the green numbers. So I'm going to take this whole column. I'm going to add the green numbers because I'm finding the mean again. So we add them up and we're going to get 670. And then to find the average, we divide by how many there are. There are 12. That gets us roughly 55.83. And then last step is we take the square root of that number, which is going to get us 7.47 years. Now, that is your standard deviation, that is sigma. And again, what that's telling you is that each age in that data set is about 7.4 or 7.5 years away from 26, which is the mean. Now, obviously, some are going to be more than that because 48 to 26 is way more than 7 apart. Some are going to be less, 19 to 26. That's well, actually, that's more than 7. But if we, some are going to be less, some are going to be more, and some are going to be pretty spot on. But on average, each number in that data set is approximately 7.5 years away from the mean.